Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Nested loops can be tricky, but we will solve this Java problem fast. Let's analyze how changing a single loop condition impacts our final count. In the original code, the inner loop always runs from 25 down to 10. This means for every single outer iteration, the inner loop executes exactly 15 times every time. Since the variable first increases from 10 up to 24, changing the condition to second greater than first means the inner loop will stop much earlier as first grows larger. When first is 10, the inner loop runs 15 times. At 24, it runs once. This reduces the total count significantly. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by checking signs. Trust the given code and check your steps.